Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of these Century Women's Brave boxing gloves. I've been in martial arts, boxing, kickboxing for the last 39 years, so I've used a lot of these products over the years. So, a few things that I really like about these gloves. Number one, the solid quality in the foam here, right? It's not something that rips and tears easy. It's a good, solid foam. These are actually the 10-ounce gloves, which are great for beginner and intermediate. And these gloves in particular, one of the things I also really like is the fact they have the mesh in here, so you're gonna get a little bit more breathability within the glove. They also have the thumb hooked to the rest of the glove, so your thumb's not going to be out wandering. And something that's unique to these gloves that I really like is this little piece here. And what that is, there's no Velcro on the back, but it makes it easier to either use your teeth or pinch between the glove and your thumb and peel these off pretty easy. One thing you'll also notice with these is that's some seriously heavy duty Velcro. So when you put these on here, they stay. They're not flopping off, and that can be a challenge with some gloves. Overall, once again, these are the 10-ounce. They've had plenty of use, and they still look like brand new. And these gloves are great for sparring. They're also great for bag work. Overall, I'm really happy with them.